Have you ever looked at your Google Ads account and wonder where your budget is going? You are getting clicks, but not the real conversions, leads, and calls. It's not all about the keywords and the bidding strategies you are using in your Google Ads account, but some few Google Ads hidden settings that are silently killing your budget. So in this video, I'm going to showcase some of Google Ads few settings that you should know as an advertiser and the business owner. Okay, so first option is disable unnecessary automatic created assets. So to find that setting, you have to click on asset button. Now you are on the account level asset setting, right? Okay, so first option is disabled unnecessary automated assets. To find that setting, you have to click on asset option, and if you scroll down, you can see there are three dots, more button. You have to click on here, and account level automated assets. Usually this screen will appear and it show you there isn't any data in account level automated created assets, right? So you have to click on again more setting and advanced setting, right? So you might have seen the option any site links, about us, privacy page, any home page, or the blog page related site link automatically being created. So if you turn on this option, then you can see that type of issue in your site link option. So if you don't want, or if you want to pose that particular option, you can simply disable that. Same goes with dynamic callouts, dynamic structure snippet. Not all the automated assets are worthful for you. What I usually do, I turn off dynamic site link, callout, structure snippet, and image creation option. And you can turn on business names, business logos, and seller ratings if you have any physical store, and if you want to increase the foot traffic in that particular store, so you can keep it on. So that's all about the first setting. Okay, so second hidden setting is all about auto apply recommendations. To find that option, you need to click on admin button, then account setting, and if you scroll bit down, you can find this option. Ideally it should be turned off, right? Majority of the time you have seen your account budget has been increased, you have selected only exact match type keywords in ad group, and automatically it has been converted to the broad match type. You have set the bid limit of 20, but it has been increased to the 50. It's only possible, so chances are high you have enabled this option, so it should be turned off. So if you are turning it off, you can save lots of your budget. Third option is AI Max feature. If you click on the setting option of any of the campaign, and if you would scroll it down, you can find this option. Ideally it should be turned off. Like sometimes it can work for you, sometimes not, but the bigger disadvantage I want to tell you about that. Let's assume in your website you have 5 product or 5 services, and you want to promote only 2, not other 3. So what this particular feature does, it will promote other 3 one. It will automatically create the asset, it will automatically create the headlines and the descriptions, so that will surely wasting your budget. So you shouldn't do that, right? So it's all up to you. It's all up to your decision when to keep it on and when to keep it off, right? Okay, so next option is disabled search and display partner. It's not very hard to find this option. If you click on any setting option of the search campaign, and you can see the option of the networks. Ideally it should be turned off, but majority of the time I have reviewed the Google Ads account, so the paid media buyer and the advertisers has enabled that option. So if you enable that, your ads can be visible on search network and display network. So by doing that, surely you will bleed your cash. So make sure you are not selecting this option. Okay, so last hidden setting is all about the negative keyword list. Majority of the media buyers knows about this option, but they don't use and apply in the campaigns, right? To find that option, you need to click on tools, then exclusion list, and you can find the menu of negative keyword list, right? And if you want to use the shortcut, there's a search bar. You just need to type negative keywords and you will see this screen, right? I usually create 2 negative keyword list until and unless if I don't use the brand search campaign. So in the universal negative keyword list, I usually use single words as a negative keyword list. Let's say if someone is looking for job, if someone is looking for career, PDF, exam, so these type of words, you don't want to showcase your ads, you don't want to bleed your cash in these queries because it's not profitable at all for you. So you usually create that and apply to the campaign. Second is the irrelevant search terms. After running that, you will get some search terms that will trigger your keywords and obviously the ads. So if any search terms is not related to your business or the services, you need to add in this particular list, right? So that's how you can save your budget. Okay, so that's all about the video. If you found this video helpful, do like, comment, and share.